The conservation of migratory species requires maintaining a network of different sites across the flyway. So where they breed, where they spend the rest of the year, but also the stopover sites that link those. So we're here at Delaware Bay, and Delaware Bay is very important as a key stopover site for the knot, and particularly the subspecies of the knot called the rufa subspecies. And this has the longest migratory path of almost any bird. It breeds in far northern Canada. I found nests west of Baffin Island. It spends the bulk of the year in the deep south, Tierra del Fuego, but it needs to visit stopover sites in between. And here in Delaware Bay, where they spend every spring and fatten up, the key component is the horseshoe crab. And the horseshoe crabs come here every spring to lay their eggs in the sand. And this is a very rich source of food for the knot. In fact, it's so rich they can double their weight in a 2-week period, perhaps the fastest increase in body weight of any bird. But horseshoe crabs are declining, partly habitat loss, but mainly that they're exploited. They're harvested for fishing, but their blood is useful for medical research. And so the rufa population is declining for a whole range of different reasons, but including the decline in the horseshoe crabs. So the estimate is it's gone down by 85% over a 25-year period. So the key message here is that if we're to protect migratory species, we have to protect sites across the whole flyway. We have to ensure the breeding grounds are protected, where they spend the rest of the year, but also the interlinking sites are conserved, and so the populations are viable.